Max, a curious and adventurous 12-year-old boy, was sitting in his room reading a book about magical forests. His eyes sparkled with wonder. Suddenly, the book glowed brightly, and Max was transported into a magical forest filled with sparkling flowers and floating lights. Max met a talking squirrel named Nibble who told him about a lost magical gem that kept the forest alive. Max and Nibble crossed a shimmering rainbow bridge above a sparkling river, on their way to find the gem. Deep in a crystal cave, Max discovered the magical gem glowing with a beautiful light. He picked it up carefully. Max placed the gem on a stone pedestal. The forest lit up with color and life again, and creatures cheered. Suddenly, Max was back in his room. The book now glowed softly on his lap, and he smiled, knowing it wasn't just a dream.